This is a tutorial for ROR Leads Factory, or Rip-Off Report Leads Factory. When you open your software, you're going to be asked to enter your license code. Just paste it in here, click on Activate, and it will take you to Leads Factory. This is a really fast, simple software to use and understand. So we're going to start off with a keyword. Let's try locksmith. And you can enter the state. Let's try Colorado. And if you want, you can enter a city. We're on Rip-Off Report. Just click on Start. So here are, let's see, it reads that it found 5 results. And it shifted over to this tab here, number of leads found. And it gives you the date that the Rip-Off Report was submitted. Wow, these are old and still affecting these businesses. Not good. You can copy the link and we can go and read the review. Wow, this is a pretty detailed review. So this is doing damage to these locksmiths, and you can contact the companies and let them know that you have the ways and means to work on burying these reviews for these guys, because they're losing money every time this rip-off report comes up, and they would probably dearly love to have these reviews removed. They can't be removed. They certainly can be buried with the tools that we have available. Now you can click on Export. It'll export as a CSV file, and it will go to, here's Leads Factory, and you can just give it a name and save it. It's opening it to an Excel spreadsheet. So none of these businesses is listed in the 3-pack. See, none are in the GMB maps. So there's a lot that you can do to help these people. So you click on Clear, pick another keyword, and you could just pick a state and not do any city, and click on Start. So no results for HVAC in Alaska. Click OK. Let's try HVAC contractor. And here it's reading that there are 57 results. So it's possible that just by adding the word contractor made a difference. Some of these are showing up in the GMB 3-pack. So they really need your help. And here it's showing you the progress. Okay, so it's completed its search. So you can click on Export. It will export as CSV. And I just clicked on Open Business Website and Open Maps. Lots of people here to help. And that wraps up this tutorial.